In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save changes in your Lovable project. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner, ensuring that your project changes are stored safely is vital. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, to make sure your hard work is preserved without any hassle. First, you'll want to begin by opening the specific Lovable project that you wish to edit. This might sound simple, but locating the correct project is the first crucial step in making sure that you're working on the right version of your app. As you access your project, make sure you're ready with any updates or modifications you plan to apply. Next, it's time to dive into making those changes. In Lovable, you have a couple of avenues to alter your project. You can either edit your app manually, tweaking settings and code as per your preferences, or you can utilize AI prompts to guide the modifications. The choice between manual edits and AI assistance largely depends on your comfort level and project needs. Both methods are effective, so choose whichever suits you best. Just ensure that the changes align with your overall vision for the project. Once you've implemented your changes, all you need to do is wait for a few moments. This brief pause allows the Lovable system to register and apply your edits fully. It's important not to rush this step, as giving it a moment to process ensures that no inadvertent mistakes are made during this critical period. As you wait, it's helpful to become familiar with the status indicators present within Lovable. These indicators play a key role in confirming whether your changes have been successfully saved. Look for a status label that reads auto-saved, saved, or something similar. This visual cue reassures you that the Lovable platform has stored your modifications properly, giving you peace of mind. One of the great features of Lovable is its autosave function, which simplifies life by automatically saving your work periodically. Even if you forget to save manually, Lovable ensures that your progress is protected, which is especially useful during extensive editing sessions or if you're prone to getting deeply engrossed in your work. In conclusion, saving changes in your Lovable project is straightforward and secure thanks to the platform's intuitive design. Starting by correctly opening your project, making the desired changes, allowing a moment for processing, and then checking the status indicators can efficiently confirm that your work is saved. And with the autosave feature, you can feel safe knowing your updates are automatically preserved even if you get carried away with creativity. So go ahead, confidently edit your projects, knowing you're backed by Lovable's robust saving system. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!